Melissa and Mickey here. We have just boarded the Star Wars Galactic STARCRUISER, the Halcyon, and we are extremely excited. There's so much going on. But first, I want to show you our room and give you a room tour. So we are in room 205, and this room is unbelievable. So we've got two of my kids, my husband and myself, and we're all adults. So let's see how we're going to fit in this amazing room. Let's go. All right, Clay, here we are. So room 5, deck 5, 205. Ooh. All right, we're gonna do a full scan and then I'll come back with details. All right, our luggage was delivered. Look at this. This is amazing. So different than my room tours of the regular rooms because we're on a STARCRUISER. Now, this is our base rate room. So it is a standard room. It will sleep up to 4, and we have a bed that folds down. So actually you can do 5, which is awesome. So let's start here. We've got our queen size bed. Clay, you want to see if it's comfy or not?
I'm good.
Okay, I'll get on there. Hang on a second. So let's try out this bed. We've got the Chandrilla logo here on our blanket, and then we've also got it here on the pillowcases. They're nice and soft. Awesome. And the bed is quite soft too, and it's a queen size, so yeah. And you saw earlier that Clay is he's 6 foot tall. He can fit over in the bunk beds there. All right, this is my son Clay. He is 6 foot tall, and he can comfortably lay down. Is your head touching?
No, if I fully extend, I'd say this is probably like 6'2", 6'3".
6'2", 6'3". It's very deceiving. I would have never thought that.
I didn't think I could fit in here.
But I guess you can. Very good. So you are 6 foot. Okay, pretty cool. All right, well, good night. And then let's pull out the extra bed here and see what's going on. Move our luggage. Gonna pull this down. So if you have 5, you can actually sleep 5, or if you have somebody taller than 6 foot that needs to not be in the bunk bed. All right, so the only thing here is you're gonna need to not hit your head here, but that's the same as all of our other deluxe resorts on property. So yeah, that's awesome. Pretty comfy. Okay, now let's come over here. We've got a feature is you've got under the bed storage here. So in a few minutes, we're going to put our luggage under here, which will be nice for storage. We've got a recycle and a trash can here, and we've got regular plugs. Oh, this turns on the light. Look at our remote control. It's wrapped and it is Star Wars themed. Awesome. What else do we have? Oh, a reading light. Everything is spacey. It's awesome. And in a minute, Clay is gonna turn on and off our window here. Now we've got space if you want to have extra goodies going here for storage, plus you can sit, which is nice, and a little table. So you could bring your grab and go back if you wanted, if you didn't want to eat breakfast in the breakfast area. Awesome. Now we were debriefed, and this is your emergency exit. So in case of any kind of emergency, this is how you would get off of the STARCRUISER. So don't worry about not being able to get off. So let's turn on the TV. I guess you could actually watch TV if you wanted to. It's built in. And then this is our communication device. So we are going to talk to Droid Links, and they are going to help us with our journey. So not sure what all this is about yet, but I will absolutely be showing you how it works in a separate video. Now look what happens when I turn on to the TV. Welcome Giles Party, Chandrilla. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. Neat. And again, here are our bunk beds. So you have a pillow, you have a blanket, 6 foot tall, no problem. No problem, Bob. Okay, let's go back in here. We've got storage, we've got a safe, and then a cooling supply unit. It's really small, but we probably won't need to put too many things in there. Awesome. And then we've got 2 other areas here. We do have, oh, these are nice and soft and luxurious. So don't want to play along with the storyline, come on back and relax. We've got a blanket in here also, Chandrilla blanket. And look at this. That's awesome. It's got the name on it. Okay, got an extra pillow here. Whoop, my blanket fell out. Now, makeup mirror. This is going to be nice tomorrow because we have 1 bathroom, 1 shower, but we can also do our makeup here, which is nice. We have a Star Wars Galactic STARCRUISER Halcyon Legacy book. Very nice, as well as a token here. That's going to be valuable. We've got water, and then we have these metal refillable cups. It says this bottle available for use while on board and may be refilled in the atrium. So we'll be refilling the bottle. Light switches with 2 more plugs. What do we have here? Ooh, that's the air conditioner. All right, bathroom time. So we have a sliding door. The shower is huge, you guys. Oh my goodness. So all the way back here, wow, this is really big. You have a rain shower, you've got a handheld, and then you've got your body wash, your shampoo, your conditioner, which are all our same H2O products, but themed to the Halcyon, which is awesome. Okay. And we've got a full-length mirror here, our wet potty area, and then, love that. 2 hooks here for your robe, and then let's see what we have here on our counter. So I think I saw some of these in the gift shop. All right, let's open it up and see what we've got. We've got face cloths, we've got foaming bubble mask, 2 foaming bubble masks. Awesome. All right. Well, who knows what we're going to do. So a lot of face washing tools.
And you can take that tin home with you.
And you can take the tin home. Thank you, Clay. That's awesome. And then we've got hand soap, body lotion, all themed. Tissue. And then under here, we, this is cute. Thermal blower. So what do you think this is, guys? Hair dryer and a thermal blower. I love it. Okay, and Clay, can you get the ground here? Look at the tile, all themed. The carpet. I think we're gonna have fun. Now, Clay, go show us how to turn or open our window. We're all figuring this out together. So what do you think?
I'm thinking it's this one.
Okay, push and see what happens.
Open viewport, close viewport. Oh. Flashing at me. Oh, there it goes.
Okay, we're closing the viewport. There's a little glare on that, so at night I guess you want to close it. Mm-hmm. And then what do we do for the daytime? The really cool thing is also there's no windows and no doors to get outside, so you really lose track of time. Is it opening back up?
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's a cycle on it.
Okay, and now we're opening. That's super cool. All right, very good. For your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa and Mickey. You can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell for notification, and you're going to want to do that because I'm going to be filming the entire stay and putting lots of STARCRUISER videos up. I look forward to seeing you guys soon, and may the force be with you.